Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Coinbase to dark mode. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then tap on to Profile and Settings. After that, scroll down and here you can find the option of Appearance under the Display option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to the Dark mode right here. Now you can see the Coinbase has changed into the dark mode. Now you can simply choose one of these according to your preference. And that's it. This is how you can change the Coinbase to dark mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.